What's up everyone to my new vlog. So in today's vlog we will go to a waterfall with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of us including me to the waterfall. My first sister and my mother has already reached to like the half of the way, and we are waiting for our brother, second sister, and my auntie. They are coming. They're like very low. Like it's way more like narrow, and we are not here today to play in waterfall. We are here to steal waterfall's water. Yeah, like with this egg, and we have some bottle caps, and I don't know what's that for, but we are gonna be stealing water from the waterfall and take it home and do whatever we want with my brother. So this is my mother.
Hello.
This is my second sister.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. And now, until the time my brother, my auntie, and my fourth sister comes, we are gonna let's just keep on staying on this road. So let's see how much time it takes them now. So the problem is, my brother, my auntie, and my first sister not knowing the way where to go. We have been waiting for them like 15 minutes, and they have basically already reached the waterfall. Like, bro, what? Now we are heading to the way to the waterfall. Long road. That's a lot of stairs. They already reached the waterfall, bro. What the hell? That's so dumb. Oh, wow. Wait, what? Hear that, right? Hear it. That river from the waterfall flowing very loud. I love it. Free chips. What the? Bro. Look at that. Oh my god. It's a long way. It's a long way. It's a very, very long way. So the waterfall is supposed to look like that. See if it's actually like that. It's again a long way, bro. Oh my god. We have reached the waterfall or the river. I don't know. We have reached the waterfall. So we finally met our brother, auntie, and our first sister. Yes, my brother. So they had already reached the waterfall. Look at this. We might go over there and like swim, but I don't have my swimming costume, so we might swim with our clothes. Yeah, and collect the water from our egg. This is the egg. We are going upward. We are going upward now. Lower part where we are gonna swim, but not right now. My mother and my sister got fully wet. They got so close to the waterfall. They got like that close, like that close. of water, it made everyone wet. The vapor of water is basically visible. We are towards our way to the below part where we can swim. Now we are going to the down part for playing because we don't have our swimming costume. So we are heading from there. We are gonna go. Yeah, it's gonna be very fun. Now let's go. I'm in the wrong way, bro. I'll just continue when we reach there. Way there. What the? This? It's broken. What the? Bro.
Vem caixa tá preparada pra foder sua safada. Vem sentando na piroca, sua piranha safada. Vem, vem, foder, vem, vem, foder, vem, vem, foder, vem, vem.
I just completed the waterfall thing and it was very fun. Now we are heading back home. First we are gonna eat some snacks after we reach. That was very fun. We'll take this home and I don't know. It's our snack time now. I have got this and my brother has got
Please open.
the cheese ball. I have my juice
टोपी नलगाउँदा चिसो हुन्छ टोपीको के गर्छ यो चिसो हुन्छ नि भाइले लाउँछ भाइले
Another snack.
खामेर बस्नु भिजेर पानी पर्दा मुद्दै मुद्दै गर्ने सुन्यो बेलुका ल यिनीहरू ओके यसको उयो रेनकोट चाहिँ म निकाल्छु ए चोकोपाई त खानै बाँकी छ हौ ए वाइवाई पनि छ अरू चाहिँ बाटोमा खाँदै जाने अरे वाइवाई रहेछ क्विक रहेछ ल ल यो बोका ल हिँड्दै गरेर त खोइ मेरो पानी चाहिँ बोका न तिमीलाई खान चाहिन्छ होला हेर के नचाहिने नछ म राख्छु पर्छ नि किन चाहियो त्यो घर लग्नु पर्दैन मौसी त घर जानु हो कि के हो घरै जा के अब त्यस्तो भन्दा मेरो झोला मलाई फिर्ता चाहिँ त अनि त पुगाइदिने त हिँड्नु न है कहाँ फेरि तिनवटा कहाँबाट तिनवटा ल ल जाउँ हिँड त भर्खर 2 बजे खै छोरा केटाहरू मिमी चाहिँ हल्ला गयो मोबाइल चाहिँ हल्ला गयो हेलमेट ल्याऊ हेलमेट ल्याऊ ल मेरो टोपी चाहिँ त्यहाँ छ मसलै हालेन हौ तिमीहरूले हालेको छैन यी मसला डल्लै यहीँ छ ल जाउँ